Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this Capricorn nail design with dip powders and glitter. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Cherael Sky bond to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any bond, you can always use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nail. So I applied base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I poured my clear dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then poured my clear dip powder on my nail. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. So I did a few layers with my Pro Dip white dip powder. This dip powder is mixed with some of my Diamond Dust glitter. So every month I will be doing, or at least try to do, a Zodiac inspired nail design. I got this idea from Brenda and it's a pretty cool idea, so let me know if you all would want to see me do that. Unfortunately, I couldn't do a full set for Capricorns because of time constraint, but there's always December, please the Lord. So I'm basically starting with Capricorn and I might end with Capricorn as well. So anyway, so my idea for this is to do 2 nail designs for each zodiac. I'm not sure if that's what's going to happen, but I intend to do that. So I'll do a full set with the birthstone color of each zodiac, and then on the thumbnail I'll do the animal or the sign of that said zodiac. I'm not sure if I will be able to draw each zodiac animal, but I'll try my best, and let me know what you guys think as well. I'm trying to do better where nail art is concerned, so these zodiac animals would help me to do that. So I am a Taurus. I was born in May. Taurus start from April 20th and end on May 20th. I'm very interested to know my subscribers' zodiac sign, so let me know in the comments below what your zodiac sign is. So now I place 3 layers of clear dip powder to encapsulate the nail. Then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now using my Model 1's black gel polish, I just start by drawing the head of the goat. It's actually a sea goat, which is the zodiac animal for Capricorns. So I used this design I got from the internet to do this drawing, and surprisingly this was very easy to do compared to the drawing of the zodiac symbol. So let me know what you guys think of my drawing. I like constructive criticism. I don't mind because I want to get better with my nail art, so let me know what you guys think. And the sea goat is actually a mythological creature with the body of a goat and the tail of a fish. So yeah, that's what Capricorns are, or that's the animal, the zodiac animal of the Capricorns. When I was completed, I just poured the black glitter on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. So y'all think it looks like the picture? Let me know in the comments below, because I asked my father and this man thought it was a penguin. I was like, really, Dad? Now I used my Mother One's gift stock to draw the symbol. I cannot tell you guys how many times I drew this symbol, and I just was not getting a neat finish, and sometimes it came out too big. You know, I wanted something small and very neat. So yeah, it took me a lot of tries in order to get something that I liked. Then I realized that the polish was a little too light, so I switched to the Mother One's cranberry and did a few layers as well until I finally got it. So then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds and then I did another layer to get fuller opacity. I did it in red because the birthstone colors for Capricorn is red. Then I brushed the nail to remove any glitter, and then I placed a layer of Mother One's gel top coat on the nail. Then I placed a rhinestone to mimic the eye and cured for 30 seconds. I also picked that color of rhinestone because, you know, Capricorn season. To be honest, this looks kind of cool. I really like it, but I don't know if it actually looked like a goat. Then I applied cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.